Marvelous, what is it?
Popsy, I'm depressed. I'm depressed.
Are you sure you are depressed or you need money?
Popsy, don't catch me.
She what?
I need money. I really need money.
Jesus!
What type of plane is this?
Eh? First time money is coming out from my Popsy pocket. Gee. Eh? I thought you were the poorest man in the whole world. Though. People like say they leave that title small. See money now, see ATM card. Man.
First time money is coming out from your Popsy pocket. First time in history. Interesting. First class insult. You see why people don't help? Receiver the insult giver. The insult you helper. Don't worry. I will show you that the pocket that money came out from the first time, the cane, the weapon, the rod, the wire that be coming out from there can still come out from there.
No.
You gonna explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
Pops is not like that.
I know it's not like that, eh? I know what it is like.
Sorry, yo.
Don't worry, just lie down.
Photo.
Pops is not like that.
He shot you.
I know it is not like that. I know what it is like, eh? Just lie down.
Photo.
Popsy. Popsy killed there. Lie down.
Sorry, yo.
Popsy, yeah. Popsy, you're the richest man in the whole world, though. Yeah. Popsy, I was on colors when I said it, though. Hey, it's a lie, yo. Money to come up from pocket, yaga.